Hi, welcome back to my guides and tutorials. It's another really terrible day outside, so I've thought of something else that I can do indoors. So today I'm going to build a motorbike, and here she is in all her glory. So bear with me. I'm doing this for my daughter, which doesn't want to appear on camera. So we'll do a quick video whilst we do it. So here it is, all finished, being built. It's actually made by a company called Clementoni. I believe it's an Italian company, I've not actually looked into it. But yeah, it's turned out quite well. It's got a wee stand there, you can just sit it. So that's my efforts for today. Saturday, rainy morning, build a motorbike, because why not? Okay, thanks for watching. Understand it's no usual type of video, but entertaining all the same. You can actually turn this engine over. If you turn that one there, you'll see that it turns the back wheel. So yeah, it's quite a bit goes into this. It says age 8 plus, but some of it seemed a bit technical. So you'll maybe see these advertised, particularly around Christmas time. The Mechanics Laboratory, Science Museum approved. So yeah, these wee models, I think they're a competitor to like Lego Technics. Apologies for my intruder here. Got to go in the bloopers section, of course. So yeah, Storm's got a whole house to be cleaning and pruning himself, but no, he decides to come and sit exactly where I'm sitting. Cheers for that, mate.